In this video, we'll learn to subtract simple fractions. So let's start with a simple one. We have 2/3, take away 1/3. What does that equal? So we've got the same number at the bottom, the same denominator. Which means we've cut these pieces into 3 slices in both cases. So here is the cake, cut into 3 equal slices, and I've got 2 of them. I'm going to take away one of them. So if I remove one of these slices, maybe this one, then what am I left with? It's just 1 out of the 3. So that is 1/3. So as you've probably noticed, when you have the same denominator, the answer ends with the same denominator, and you're just taking away 2, take away 1. That gives us 1. So if I have 5/7, take away 3/7, that is just 2/7. What if I have different denominators? So we've got 4/5, take away 2/3. So I'm going to represent 4/5 and 2/3 here using the context of a chocolate bar. Okay, so as it stands at the moment, these slices are of different sizes. So I'm going to have to convert them to same size in order for me to take away. So here we have them split into an equal number of slices and same size of slices. So there are 15 small slices in here and 15 here as well. So what have we done? We've gone from 5 slices to 15. So we've multiplied by 3, and we originally had 4 of them, but now there are 3 in each of those. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So in other words, we've multiplied 4 by 3 as well. And what's happened on this side? We've gone from 3 to 15 slices because there are 5 in each of those existing bigger slices. So we've multiplied by 5. Doesn't mean we've got more of the thing. We haven't got more chocolate. We've just split them into smaller slices. That's the point. So two big ones have been split into smaller slices. So 5 and 5, that makes 10. So 2 has been multiplied by 5 as well to get 10. As you notice, both the numerator and the denominator have been multiplied by the same number. In this case by 3 and in this case by 5. Now, can we take that away? 12 15s take away 10 15s. That is 2 15s, because 12 take away 10 gives us 2. And of course, we don't need to change the denominator because it means out of how many slices. Let's try this with another 2 fractions. So we've got 3/5 take away 1/6. So finding a common denominator for both, a multiple, a number that these would fit into without leaving any remainders, and that can be 30. So to get from 5 to 30, we've multiplied by 6. So to get from 3 to this number, we need to multiply by 6 as well. So that gives us 18. To get from 6 to 30, we've multiplied by 5. So to get from 1 to this number, we're going to multiply by 5 as well. So that is just 5. So 18 30ths, take away 5 30ths, that gives us 13 30ths, because 18 take away 5 gives us 13. Doing another one, so 8/6 take away 4/7. So a common denominator of them both can be 42. To get from 6 to 42, we've multiplied by 7, so we'll do the same to the 8. To get from 7 to 42, we've multiplied by 6, so we'll do the same to the 4. And 56 take away 24, that gives us 32. Subtracting fractions is going to be really useful in everyday life, just like adding fractions, and in a range of scenarios such as dealing with money, dealing with offers or measurements and other topics, it's going to come in really handy.